Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ZEROXCLUB Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera, HD, 1080p, 10-inch DVR monitor. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Convenient and easy installation. With a magnetic base, this wireless backup camera system can be attached to any metal surface that is attracted to a magnetic field, eliminating the need for wiring and saving your item and installation costs. The magnetic camera design also makes it convenient to remove and reinstall the camera on another vehicle. 10-inch large screen. This RV wireless backup camera system is equipped with a 10-inch screen that supports up to 4 cameras, which could be set up for dual/quad screen for multiple cameras monitoring at the same time. This system comes with 2 rear view cameras. If you need to add more cameras, please search to purchase additional cameras. Portable solar wireless camera. Built-in 9600 mAh rechargeable battery and compact size design, this magnetic solar wireless backup camera system is easy to carry and can be used anywhere you need it. The magnetic camera base also allows for quick and easy installation and removal, making it a versatile and convenient option. Digital strong stable signal. Built in a signal booster receiver for fast and stable transmission, no more image freezing, and the transmission distance can reach 328 feet, without obstacles. And 50 feet on vehicle for reversing or 36 feet on vehicle for continuously use, which is long enough for most vehicles like cars, trucks, pickups, camper, SUVs, trailers, and minivans. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is 1080p resolution and DVR loop recording. HD 1080p monitor supports up to 4 cameras in single view, dual view, quad view, providing you with a clear view of the area behind your vehicle for confident reversing. Enjoy the enhanced safety and convenience it brings to your vehicle. The system supports DVR recording. It will automatically overwrites old footage to keep recordings refreshed. Comes with a 32 GB memory card, expandable to 128 GB, for starting right away. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.